All right, a little bit of a different video today. Back in Long Island TCG, it was probably about 3 weeks ago now, I did pick up a pretty cool product. It was expensive, taking a big chance on it. It is this Yamabuki City Gym deck.
It's just cool. I don't know anything about it though. How much you asking?
Last sales are between 3.5 and 3.8K.
I mean, that's all the other band cards in there. Those are probably pretty high value and like 10s too. Yeah, the Haunter's solid too. I do like a good gamble. Whatever you're gonna say, I'm gonna say more. It doesn't matter. And I'm gonna be cash. I'm gonna be cash.
Over the line here.
Bro, you weren't here, mother. There's a sale. While I was looking this up, it was on there in a 10. That's why I'm about to offer him 3,300 cash.
Is that your offer?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you got it. The highest bidder right here.
Yes. We are going to be grading the cards in this deck. So let's see what they look like. Yeah, it's like 100 degrees outside today in Jersey. So yeah, sun's out, guns out, baby. We have the Yamabuki City Gym deck with the Sabrina, Alakazam, Abra, Hypno, and the Mr. Mime on front. A little backstory on this deck. It does have the Sabrina's Gengar. And you're going to see which one I'm talking about. You're probably thinking about the one with the tombstones in the back. No, not that one. It's the non-hollow one. But still a very expensive card if it does get a PSA 10. Obviously, we know that Japanese cards do have much better gem rates than English, just due to the QC that the manufacturers take when creating these cards. So this is the first time I open this. Obviously, it's got tape on it. It is completely sealed. So basically, yeah, you saw we paid about $3,000 for the deck. The Gengar in a 10 is going for like 10K. So obviously, if that gets a 10, everything's fine. Honestly, we're hoping for a 9, and then we do have the Hollow Alakazam in here as well, and there's a couple band cards that are very cool. So those in a 10 will also do very well. We gotta get like a 10. Whether it be the Alakazam, some of the band cards. Obviously, if we just hit the Gengar, that's just GG's. We win. We're up big. But we're just hoping for a couple 10s. We're probably gonna grade most of the stuff in the deck, but definitely the band cards, definitely the Alakazam, and definitely the Sabrina's Gengar. Okay, so didn't realize they just raw dog these. They just raw dog them. That's crazy. That's crazy. That tracks though. That tracks why there's probably not 1,000 freaking 10s on the market. So yeah, let's just take a gander on here if my fat fingers will allow me. We have a little trainer's trading card thing here. It's not legible by an individual such as myself. Yeah, I don't speak Japanese, but that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. We got another one. This is probably what cards are in here. Nope, this is definitely just how to play the game. How to flip a coin. We know how to do that. No worries there, baby. Okay, let's get to it, baby. Here we go. Okay, we got a coin. Okay, so we got a couple hollows in here. Did not know that. Really cool freaking Alakazam coin. Yeah, gorgeous day in Jersey today, but it is hot as Hades out there. We're destroying this coin. I can't get it open. What are we doing? What's happening? Okay, it's an Alakazam. It's an Alakazam. That is pretty sick. That's pretty sick. I like that. That's dope. We might have a new flipping coin. All right. At the back here, all the energies and stuff. That's cool. That's cool. We like fun stuff. All right, here we go. The deck. Oh, it's got some sticky. Oh man. Oh god, please don't let that be the Gengar. Oh, please don't let that be the Gengar. Oh lord. Oh no. Do we start from the back? I think I just want to know. I just want to know. Whew. Okay, good, solid. All right, we're starting from the front. We're gonna sleeve everything up. We have the Sabrina's. It's just Sabrina. It's Sabrina. Hollow Sabrina. Okay. Hollow Sabrina. Absolutely gorgeous. Love to see it. Looks pretty good. Love that. All right, that's good. It's a good sign. I can't imagine that, you know, if most of them are good, they are all probably going to be good. So that's a good sign. It's a good first sign. We love that. We love that. We do have the Sabrina's Alakazam Holo. Do we have a freaking swirl, baby? Not seeing a swirl. Unfortunate, but that's okay. Looking a little top heavy. A little bit top heavy, which is not ideal, but again, we don't have to score like 10s on everything. We just need to do semi-decent with the return. So that's okay. That's okay. The Sabrinas look pretty centered, though. All right, we're going to have a couple comments and uncomments here. Probably not going to sleeve these up. We have the Abra, Sabrina's Abra, a couple of those. The little alternate art, Sabrina's Abra as well. We have the Kadabra, Sabrina's Kadabra. Gorgeous. Oh, nice. Love this Ghastly. This is a dope Ghastly. Sabrina's Ghastly is awesome. That's sick. That's sick. And the other artwork of Ghastly as well. Okay, dope. Dope. All right, definitely going to grade this. Definitely going to grade this as well. We have the Sabrina's Haunter. That's dope. We're going to sleeve that up. We got 2 chances on the Haunter, which is awesome. I would imagine we don't have 2 chances on the Gengar. I would assume it only comes with 1. So, unfortunate, but why would you put 2 rares in the deck, you know? If this is a deck, it was meant for, obviously, play in the TCG. Ooh, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is, our boy. Ah, such a good artwork, man. One of my favorites for sure. So, now you know which Gengar I'm speaking about. It is the non-holo with him front and center, standing in front of the moon. Very, very cool artwork. Wow. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I like this better than the other Sabrina's, the holo. It's really centered. It's really well centered. And the back looks absolutely fabulous. Oh, wait. A little something up there. No. We're good. We're good. That looks good. That looks, first look, you know, not diving too deep. What am I doing? I already got a sleeve on there. It looks pretty solid. That's promising. That is very promising. Again, we're going to be grading a couple of these, so it's going to give us a little bit better chance to get our value worth back. We'll probably do the whole Ghastly Haunter Gengar line just to kind of see maybe we get a freaking little back-to-back-to-back PSA 10 action. They call that sequential. Sorry, was trying to think of the word. Sequential, that would be dope. We have Sabrina's Drowsy. We have the Hypno as well. Is this an uncommon? None of these have rarities. Is that a thing? Tell me in the comments. Is that a thing? Am I dumb? But yeah, Sabrina's Hypno is cool. We got the Mr. Mime. Oh, the Jinx. Ooh. Is this banned? This might be banned. That's looking like, yeah. You know? I think that might be banned. I'm gonna go with yeah. I don't think that's the right color. I don't think that's right. I'm not gonna say it. I won't. We do have the Jinx. Sabrina's Jinx. I'm not 100% sure if that's banned, but it looks like it probably should be. Probably should be. So we'll sleeve that up. Grade those as well. If they are banned, I will double check. Let me know in the comments if I'm an idiot or not. It's possible. I'm still learning as well. We have the Sabrina's Porygon. Love me Porygon. Underrated Pokemon. Don't know why he's so good. All right, this is where it's gonna get difficult because I don't know the trainers very well. It does say Yamabuki on it, so I'm guessing this is probably Yamabuki City Gym. That would be Sabrina's gym. We have Sabrina's ESP. That's pretty freaking cool. You have all the dolls in there. Clefairy doll, the Pikachu doll. Poliwhirl, Poliwrath possibly, and Oddish. That's pretty sick. Sleeving that up. We have Switch. I'm pretty sure that's a Switch. Go me. Couple switches, definitely Switch because there's multiple. There we go. We have a band card. We have Sabrina's Gaze. Solid band card. That's sick. Love to see that. There is 2 of them. we got value here. Look, I was a little worried about the price I paid for this. Also, I kind of just, like, went for it. Didn't really talk him down a whole lot. He seemed to be interested in trade, and then I pushed him over to my boy. Shout out Mano TCG. And, because I don't really have anything to trade. I didn't think he wanted cash at all. And then I was just like, yo, 3K cash, bro. What's up? And he's like, yeah, let's do it. So, didn't talk him down at all. Probably could have went down slightly, but, I'm seeing the value here, so I think we're going to be all right as long as we don't get shafted by PSA. We have the plus power. I forget what this one's called. The defender. We have a master ball. Ooh, energy retrieval? Retrieval? Comments. Potion. Full heal. And I believe we're down to our energies. Yep, just the energies. Nothing really cool there. So, I mean, overall, it's looking pretty solid. So, I think we have a chance here. We'll run through these and show what the PSA 10 prices would be, and what our total would then be if we happen to get that. We'll run a video, second video when I get the return back. That'll probably be quite some time with old PSA's upgraded times 120 days. Yay. So we have two Sabrina's gays. The unsure but probably banned Jinx. The boy, the Gengar, the main reason we bought this in the first place. The Haunter, one of the cooler Haunter artworks from Sabrina. And then the Hollow Alakazam and the Hollow Sabrina's trainer. We'll also put the gasoline there just to complete the whole Gengar line. Possibly get a sequential on that. That'd be sick. But, yeah, let's see what happens. We'll make a second video when the grades get back, and we'll see if we got cucked or we made a bunch of money.